My dear students, this is your teacher Kunal Bose again. When we do our daily routine works, what happens that many metabolic reactions takes place, and these metabolic reactions causes many harmful and toxic substance inside our body. Okay, so how do we get rid of them? Which organs are responsible to get rid of these toxic substance or a harmful substance from your body? The excretory organs. Okay, and the system responsible behind this, that is excretory system. The main excretory organ can be kidney, urethra, ureters. Okay, apart from that, other excretory organs also responsible like skin, liver and lungs. And then how do you remember that to way to the go to your school or your home, or many a times it happens that something burning things, if you touch, how can you suddenly remove your hands? Which system or which system responsible behind that? The nervous system is responsible behind that. Okay, so in chapter 4 human body we will cover up all these 3 points, like excretory system. Inside the excretory system we will discuss about the excretory organs and system, and then we will discuss about the other excretory organs, and lastly we will discuss about the nervous system. So now let us start about the vocabulary. The first word is accumulate. What is the spelling of accumulate? ACCMULATE. Accumulate. Again I am repeating, ACCMULATE. Accumulate. Accumulate means store. Store, STORE. Store. Accumulate, store. Accumulate, store. Store, accumulate. Store, accumulate. The second word is toxic. The spelling of toxic is TOXIC. 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 Toxic means harmful. Toxic means harmful. 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 HARM. Harmful. FUL. Full. Harmful. HARMFUL. Toxic. Harmful. Toxic. Harmful. Toxic. Harmful. The third word is severe. Third word, severe. 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 Severe means worst. 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 Severe. Worst. Severe. Worst. Severe. Worst. Fourth word, RBC. RBC means R stands for red, B stands for blood, C stands for cells. RBC means red blood cells. What is the meaning of RBC? Red blood cells. Fifth word is WBC. W stands for white, B stands for blood, and C stands for cells. WBC, white blood cells. WBC, white blood cells. WBC, white blood cells. WBC, white blood cells. Sixth word, consume. 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 Again, CONSUME. Consume. Consume means use. 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 Consume. Use. Consume. use. Consume, use. Consume, use. Seventh word, cortex. C-O-R-T-E-X. Cortex. C-O-R-T-E-X. Cortex. Cortex means outer portion of kidney. Cortex means outer portion of kidney. Cortex, outer portion of kidney. Cortex meaning outer portion of kidney. Eighth word, medulla. What is the spelling of medulla? M-E-D-U-L-L-A. M-E-D-U-L-L-A. Medulla. Again, M-E-D-U-L-L-A. Medulla. M-E-D-U-L-L-A. Medulla. Medulla means inner portion of kidney. What is the meaning of medulla? Inner portion of kidney. Inner portion of kidney. Medulla, inner portion of kidney. Medulla, inner portion of kidney. Ninth word, secretion. S-E-C-R-E-T-I-O-N. Secretion. Again, S-E-C-R-E-T-I-O-N. Secretion. Secretion means release. Secretion, release. Release. R-E-L-E-A-S-E. Release. R-E-L-E-A-S-E. Release. Secretion, release. Secretion, release. Secretion, release. Secretion, release. Secretion, release. Tenth word, expel. E-X-P-E-L. Expel. E-X-P-E-L. Expel. Expel means get out. Expel means get out. Expel, get out. Expel, get out. 11th word, symptoms. S-Y-M-P, T-O-M-S. 11th word, symptoms. S-Y-M-P-T-O-M-S. Symptoms. Symptoms means signs. S-I-G-N-S. Signs. Symptoms, signs. Signs. Again, S-I-G-N-S. Symptoms, what is the spelling? Again, I am repeating for you. S-Y-M-P-T-O-M-S. Symptoms. Symptoms means signs. Signs, symptoms. Symptoms, signs. Symptoms, signs. Symptoms, signs. Symptoms, signs. Symptoms, yeah, signs. 12th word, urge. U-R-G-E. Urge. U-R-G-E. Urge. Urge means want. Urge, want. Want. W-A-N-T. Want. W-A-N-T. Want. Urge, want. Urge, want. Urge, want. Urge, yeah, want. 13th word, dehydration. D-E-H-Y D-R-A-T-I-O-N. Again, D-E-H-Y D-R-A-T-I-O-N. Dehydration. Dehydration means lack of water. Dehydration, lack. L-A-C-K, lack. Lack. L-A-C-K, lack. Dehydration, D-E-H-Y-D-R-A-T-I-O-N. Dehydration. Again, D-E-H-Y-D-R-A-T-I-O-N. Dehydration. Dehydration means lack of water. Lack of water. 14th word, surgery. S-U-R-G-E-R-Y. Surgery. 14th word, S-U-R-G-E-R-Y. Surgery. Surgery means operation. O-P-E-R-A-T-I-O-N. Operation. O-P-E-R-A-T-I-O-N. Surgery means operation. Surgery, operation. Surgery, operation. surgery, operation. Surgery, operation. 15th word, transplant. Transplant. T-R-A-N-S, trans, P-L-A-N-T, plant. Transplant. T-R-A-N-S, trans, P-L-A-N-T, plant. Transplant. T-R-A-N-S-P-L-A-N-T. Transplant. T-R-A-N-S-P-L-A-N-T. Transplant. Transplant means change. C-H-A-N-G-E, change. Transplant, change. Transplant, change. Transplant, change. 16th word. What is access? E-X-C-E-S-S. Access. E-X-C-E-S-S. Access. Access means more. Access means more. Access, more. E-X-C-E-S-S. Access. Access means more. Access, more. Access, more. The 17th word is excel. E-X-H-A-L-E-D. Excel. E-X-H-A-L-E-D. Excel. E-X-H-A-L-E-D. Excel. Excel means breathe out. Excel means breathe out. B-R-E-A-T-H. Breathe. B-R-E-A-T-H. Breathe out. O-U-T. Out. Exhale. Breathe out. Exhale. Breathe out. 18th word. Inhale. I-N-H-A-L-E. Inhale. I-N-H-A-L-E. Inhale. Inhale means breathe in. Inhale. Breathe in. B-R-E-A-T-H. Breathe. I-N in. Inhale. Breathe in. Inhale. Breathe in. 19th word. Wrapped. W-R-A-P-P-E-D. Wrapped. W-R-A-P-P-E-D. Wrapped. Wrapped means covered. C-O-V-E-R-E-D. Covered. C-O-V-E-R-E-D. Covered. Wrapped. Covered. Wrapped. Covered. 20th word. Shock proof. Shock. S-H-O-C-K. Shock. Proof. P-R-O-F-F. Shock proof. Shock proof means shock resistant. S-H-O-C-K. Shock resistant. R-E-S-I-S-T-A-N-T. Resistant. R-E-S-I-S-T-A-N-T. Resistant. Shock proof means shock resistant. Shock proof means shock resistant. 21st word. Interprets. 21st word. Interprets. I-N-T-E-R-P-R-E-T-S. I-N-T-E-R-P-R-E-T-S. Interprets. Interprets means translate. T-R-A-N-S-L-A-T-E. Translate. T-R-A-N-S-L-A-T-E. Interpret. Translate. Interpret. Translate. 22nd word. Skull. Skull. S-K-U-L-L. Skull. Skull means structure of bones. Structure of bones. S-T-R-U-C-T-U-R-E. Structure. S-T-R-U-C-T-U-R-E. Structure. Skull. Structure of bones. 23rd word. Vital. V-I-T-A-L. Vital. V-I-T-A-L. Vital. Vital means important. I-M-P-O-R-T-A-N-T. Important. I-M-P-O-R-T-A-N-T. Important. Vital. Important. Vital. Important. 24th word. Instant. I-N-S-T-A-N-T. Instant. I-N-S-T-A-N-T. Instant. Instant means very quick. Very quick. V-E-R-Y. Very. Q-U-I-C-K. Quick. Instant. Very quick. Instant. Very quick. 25th word. Conscious. C-O-N-S C-I-O-U-S. 25th word is conscious. C-O-N-S C-I-O-U-S. Conscious. Conscious means full concentration. Full concentration. Concentration. C-O-N-C-E-N-T-R-A-T-I-O-N. Concentration. C-O-N-C-E-N-T-R-A-T-I-O-N. 26th word. Carry. Carry means take. C-A-R-R-Y. Carry. T-A-K-E. Take. Carry. Take. Carry. Take. 27th word. Voluntary. V-O-L-U-N-T-A-R-Y. Voluntary. V-O-L-U-N-T-A-R-Y. Voluntary means under our control. Under our control. Control. C-O-N-T-R-O-L. Control. Voluntary means under our control. 28th word. Involuntary. That is the opposite of voluntary. I-N. Involuntary. V-O-L-U-N-T-A-R-Y. Involuntary. I-N-V-O-L-U-N-T-A-R-Y. Under our involuntary means not under our control. Not under our control. Involuntary, not under our control. Involuntary, not under our control. 29th word. Cerebrum. C-E-R-E-B-R-U-M. Cerebrum. Ceri. C-E-R-E. Ceri. Brum. B-R-U-M. Brum. Cerebrum. C-E-R-E-B-R-U-M. Cerebrum means largest part of our brain. Largest part of brain. L-A-R-G-E-S-T. Largest. Brain. B-R-A-I-N. Brain. Cerebrum means largest part of brain. Cerebrum, largest part of brain. Last word, 30th word, cerebellum. C-E-R-E, ceri, B-E-L-L-U-M, cerebellum. Cerebellum means second part of brain. Second part of brain. Cerebellum, second part of brain. Cerebellum, second part of brain. So now student, we have complete our vocabulary. Your homework is you will have to learn each word 5 times each and write in your this vocabulary in your notebook.